You know, there's a strange thing about the internet right now. Everywhere you look, someone's doing a 30-day this or 100-day that. Some of it's hype, some of it's nonsense. But every now and then, one of these challenges actually works. And what I'm about to share with you, it's simple, it's free, and it's changing lives, especially for people in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. Now here's the thing. As we get older, our bodies, they like to remind us that they're not 25 anymore. Climbing stairs feels different. Getting up from the floor takes just a little longer, and sometimes we catch ourselves thinking, if I could just move a little easier, I'd feel 10 years younger. That's exactly why this 100-day routine is worth your time. Here's the challenge. Pick 3 no-equipment exercises, and do them every single day for 100 days. That's it. No gym membership, no complicated schedules, no perfect form from day one. Just you, your body, and a commitment. Now before you say that sounds too simple, let's break this down. Consistency beats intensity, especially at 50+. We're not chasing extreme workouts. We're training the body to move better, feel stronger, and stay healthy. Here's a sample plan. Squats or chair sits. Strengthen your legs and improve balance. Wall push-ups. Build upper body strength without straining your joints. Standing knee raises. Activate your core and improve coordination. 10 repetitions each, that's 30 reps total. Done in 5 minutes. What happens when you do this daily for 100 days? Number 1. Muscle strength returns, so you can carry groceries, garden, or travel without fatigue. Number 2. Better balance and mobility, meaning fewer stumbles, fewer injuries. Number 3. Joint health improves, because gentle, regular movement keeps them lubricated and pain-free. Number 4. Posture changes, shoulders open, spine feels stronger. And here's the best part, these changes sneak up on you. One day, you'll bend down to tie your shoes and realize, that felt easy. Now let's talk safety. If you've got knee or back issues, modify. For squats, use a chair for support. For push-ups, keep your hands on a wall or countertop. For core work, you can even stay seated. The goal here isn't perfection, it's progress. And yes, you'll have days where you don't feel like doing it. That's normal. Here's the trick, don't think, just start. Once you begin, the momentum carries you. Why 100 days? Because real change, the kind that sticks, needs time. 30 days is a nice start, but it's not enough to rewire habits. 100 days, that's when it becomes part of who you are. And if you miss a day, don't quit. One skipped day doesn't erase your effort, but quitting does. Here's what I suggest, keep a small notebook. Every day, jot down what you did and how you felt. Take a before photo today. Trust me, you'll want to see the difference later. By day 50, you might notice less stiffness. By day 75, your clothes may fit differently. By day 100, well, you'll see. So, here's my challenge to you. Start today. Don't overthink it. 5 minutes, 3 moves, every day for 100 days. Your future self will thank you. If you're ready to make a change, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my weekly tips. Drop a comment below telling me day 1 starts today. I'll be cheering you on, because in 100 days, you could be looking at a stronger, healthier, more confident version of yourself. And it all starts with one small step today.